Hey guys, this is a video on our September 2022 giveaway.
So this is going to be basically the same rules as July. For every $50 you spend, you get one entry, but there's one big difference.
This time we're doing 3 different ways you can win, 3 different giveaways.
So the first one is Small Beginner's Kit, and that's a $115 value.
Second is a starter pack of your choice. A starter pack is layout letters with some other stuff in there, and this is a $150 value.
And then the third giveaway is a large beginner's kit. It comes with the base plate of your choice, layouts of your choice, and all of our bits. And if you want more information on what each one has, just click this link up here and it'll take you to the website.
So that's pretty much it, guys. We had such a great response on the Sizzling Summer giveaway back in July that we thought we would do something even a little bit different and give more chances to win.
So remember, guys, for every $50 you spend on the website, you get one entry. So if you spend $200, you get 4 entries and 3 chances to win.
And remember that the $50 does not include the shipping charge. So it needs to be $50 net increments, and then the shipping is on top of that.
So good luck to all you guys. You know, we hope you guys get some free stuff out of it.
And we appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, please email one of us, eric@makeawoodsign.com.
Or ryan@makeawoodsign.com.
Or the boss, Vicky@makeawoodsign.com. She's the one that handles all this stuff. We just do what she tells us to do. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching so much, and thanks for all the support. We couldn't keep doing what we do without you guys supporting us. We so appreciate you. Thanks again, and good luck to you guys.